Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, brake assist. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.